So moving on to track number 8, we got Killing Machine, the original title track from the album, track number 8. So let's see what it's about.
I never get true answers, but never tell no lies. I never walk a straight line, so never get surprised. I don't ask no favors, so don't get abused. I learned to win when I was young, so never ever gonna lose. I pay another money and I do the job. I got a contract on you. I got a contract on you. I never ask no questions. I never speak my mind. I always found that silence helps to keep me and my kind alive. I take care of business that takes care of me. I look after myself and do it well, 'cause somebody's always looking for me. I pay me the money and I do the job. I got a contract on you. I got a contract on you.
I like those little bit of heavy guitars that come in there, kind of break things up. Because the main verse is very like funky, I find. The whole thing's rocking though. Pretty great track so far.
I got a contract on you. What manner of man am I? I don't love some and then I move on. What manner of man are you? You never friends back to Jim the Kill. I do what I do, 'cause I get nothing better. Do what you do just to better yourself. You got nothing better to do. I got no face, no name. Mr. Killing Machine. I got the population down, if you know what I mean. I never stop in one place. I'm all about the cities. Got expensive taste, but I hasten to have that I'm the best that there is. Put up me with the money and I do the job. I got a contract on you. I got a contract on you. I got a contract on you. I got a contract on you.
So Killing Machine, it sounds like this man is a hitman, right? He's killing people for hire. I got a contract for you, you know, on you or whatever. That's what it makes me think of, and with the title Killing Machine. There's something about this whole album and the last album, Staying in Class, where there's just almost every song is just so full of funk and groove, but in a very rockin' way, you know. And it's just done so well. Another very solid track. I don't have much to say about it. It was very quick. It was 3 minutes long. It flew by. It did the job right. I had fun with it. Nothing that stood out as crazy amazing to me, but definitely not much for flaws either. Just a very solid track. And I really believe that this is about some type of hitman or something. Kind of a precursor to Megadeth's Killing Is My Business, you know? Kind of remind me of that a bit. Probably was a big inspiration scene as Judas Priest influenced Dave Mustaine quite a bit. That was track number 8, Killing Machine, but the last 4 tracks here are between 3 and 4 minutes long. They're not long tracks, so we're going to fly right by these. Up next is the 9th track called Running Wild. Let's check it out. I was gonna say they don't give us enough of that chorus. It's always way too short. I really like the guitars and just the way he says "running wild." Could have used more of it. We got a little bit of a double chorus that time, but it was still way too short. And I see the song's already almost done. It's crazy. That scream. Well, they must have heard me because I said the chorus is way too short, and ever since I said that, they just let the chorus play out till the end. I just love the riff in that chorus and the way he delivers "Running Wild." Love that. Just was just way too short. Very cool track though. I was really digging the vibe to that one. Even the verses in that down 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 up down up down. I just like the way it was all laid out. It was really cool. When the song started, the opening the very starting of the song here, I was almost getting Prowler vibes from Iron Maiden, their first album, but this is obviously predates it by a couple of years. And yeah, Prowler guitars and then "Running Wild." I was thinking "Running Free" in my head for a second. But yeah, definitely a great track by Judas Priest, which I'm sure influenced many bands, even Iron Maiden, or at least Steve Harris from Iron Maiden. But yeah, just really cool. Just too short of a track, if you ask me. It just flew by. I could have. This is definitely one that I would play like double. I'll play it on repeat at least once or twice just to get everything out of it. You know what I mean? But yeah, killer track, "Running Wild." Two more left. Up next at number 10, we got "Before the Dawn." So let's check it out.
Before the dawn, I hear you whisper in your sleep. Don't let the morning take him. Outside, the birds begin to call as if to summon of my leaving. It's been a lifetime since I found someone who would stay. I've waited too long, and now you're leaving. Oh, please don't take it all away. It's been a lifetime.
Okay, obviously a more softer, more ballad type track. Feels like a relationship type song. The little bit of lyrics I picked up. The acoustics are so crisp and clean on here. The production is fantastic. and the bass kind of cuts right through it too. It's just beautifully paired with those acoustics. They sound great together. We had a really nice melodic solo that, had a lot of emotion into it. They weren't just there to shred. Very cool, slower type track.
Since I found someone who would stay, I waited too long, and now you're leaving. Oh, please don't take it all away. Before the dawn, I hear you whisper in your sleep. Don't let the morning take me.
Almost sounds like wind chimes in the background, really faint at the end. Um, Before the dawn. So it sounds like the person singing, not Rob, but I mean like in the lyrics, he screwed up. He waited too long, and now his partner, or the partner he thought he was gonna have, is leaving him. Maybe he waited too long to say "I love you," or to, I don't know, to, how do I say that, show affection or something. I don't know, but they done fucked up, and sounds like another one is leaving. And it says another one as if this is happening multiple times. Interesting track. Like I said, it feels like it's about this man's relationship status and the people he ends up with, because he perhaps doesn't know how to express himself properly. I don't know. But interesting track. Definitely, like I said, a more ballad type track for this album. But yeah, it does kind of break up things, and maybe it will lead right into an kick-ass finale. We don't know, but we're about to find out, because there's only one track left. Track number 11, and it's called Evil Fantasies. Plural, more than one. So let's see what twisted evil fantasies they can come up with.
We turn and face each other. My fingers pull your hair. You wince and jerk my wrist off. I bite my lip and stare. Your stance at once defiant. I'm rigid to your pose. You clench your teeth in anger. My loving swelling rose. You give me evil fantasies.
I love when Rob Halford makes his voice like that. Like, it's like, gives like a jazzy, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just going to replay it.
Swelling rose. You give me evil fantasies. I wanna get inside your mind. Come on, live my fantasies. I'll show you evil you can hide. You're dragged into my vision, trapped serving to my needs. Maybe imagine.
I'm liking the groove and everything. I just find it's a little slow. Like the tempo, like the drums feel like they're slow-mo right now. I don't know. It feels like it should be sped up just a tiny bit. And that caught me. Like as soon as the song started, I'm like, it's a little slow. I don't know. That's just me.
Destination is where my dark side feeds. You slide your nails down in me. I raise my structure
still very easy to headbang to. Like the whole song, I find myself caught in the same rhythm the whole time. Can't help myself. Um, as I said, the drums are a little slow for me, but I do like what they're doing in the chorus. Is again with his fills and different things he's doing there. Uh, does is this another like relationship type song, but more like say as if you've seen a girl and you're like, ooh, if you could only get inside my mind and see all these evil fantasies. I don't know. That's what I'm kind of gathering off of it, which is kind of funny. Putting this track right after Before the Dawn, two different types of relationships or sexual thoughts type songs. You know.
Maybe imagination is where my dark side feeds. Come on, reload. Yeah.
Here we go.
You give me evil, evil fantasies. Come on, evil. Yeah. Give me fantasies. I want it. You got it. Those evil fantasies. You need it. I'm gonna give it. Give me fantasies. Come on and get it. Fantasies.
They've been really listening to me this album. Every time I mention something I would like them to do, they do it. I said speed up the tempo. They did in that last part of the track. It did speed up a bit in drums anyway. In Running Wild, I said I want a longer chorus. They made the chorus last to the rest of the song when I said that. So that's kind of funny that it seems like they're hearing me. Some devices are listening. But yeah, anyway, very, very solid track and solid album. Well, the track was good. It's not amazing or anything. I thought it was decent. But as a whole, definitely a solid record. Take on the World is the only track I really disliked. But everything else was from okay to friggin' great. With songs like Hell Bent for Leather, Delivering the Goods, Burnin' Up. So damn good. There's some great tracks on here. I just feel like it's not quite as strong as Stained Class for me personally, but still a solid record. They don't have a bad record in the 70s. I'll give them that. Yeah, when I return, we'll be heading into the 80s, so stay tuned for that. And when I'm done going through every Judas Priest record, I will be ranking them, so that's going to be exciting and extremely hard. It's not going to be an easy task, but there you have it. That was the full album, Killing Machine, Hellbent for Leather from 1978, released in North America 1979, for those of you wondering. I'll return, like I said, with their next record. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future Priest tracks. I'm doing them all, guys. All the ones that I don't know anyway, which is a lot of them. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Enjoy yourselves, and until next time, thanks for watching.